Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to go to the local island skate park and just some practice basic, and I want to tell you how you can do a heel flip with a skateboard so easy. So let's go. You know what? don't fuss because I'm not skating for about 6 months or 8 months. I guess don't fuss me. So for heel flip, it's a kind of flip. It's opposite of kickflip. You have to push forward your foot against the skateboard. When you do a heel flip, the skateboard is gonna flip just like this. So the position of your feet, it must be just something like this, and you just pop the skateboard and push your feet forward. For better doing this trick, you can adjust your back foot from here to here and a little backward, and you can rotate your feet a little for better doing this. And another tip that I can give you this would be you can rotate your front feet a little like this. So at first, by doing this trick, you can do this: pop and wait a little, then push your foot front and then come back on the ground. So when you try that so much, you can do this. You can pop the skateboard and hit the skateboard with your front foot and take the skateboard immediately and put it on the ground. یه ذره خود بده عقب.